installing the locking tailpiece on our Micrometer adjustable wrench series. The handle on our Knurled grip Micrometer adjustable wrench series is designed for operator comfort. Torque settings are adjusted by unlocking the tailpiece and then rotating the handle to the desired torque value. Once you've reached the desired torque value, lock the tailpiece and you can go to work. This short video shows you how to install the locking tailpiece. This 4-step process is simple. Let's take a look at the tools that are needed for the job. Number 1, you'll need Loctite 222. Number 2, you'll need the locking tailpiece, part number 869054. Number 3, you'll need 2 set screws, part number 860055. Number 4, you'll need the hex stem. Now there are 3 different hex stems, and they are different lengths, and as the wrenches get larger in capacity, the hex stem length increases. So be sure that you're using the right hex stem for the wrench in which you're working. Number 5, you'll need set screw, part number 890275. You'll need a 7/64 inch Allen key, a 5/32 inch Allen key, and you'll need a preset torque screwdriver with a 7/64 hex bit that's set to 12.5 inch-pounds. Step number 1, insert the tailpiece into the back of the wrench. Step number 2, insert both screws into the sides of the metal grip. The screw holes are located near the locking tailpiece that you've just installed. Get the screws in the holes and then use the preset screwdriver with the 7/64 hex bit to tighten them. Using a Sturtevant Richmont preset screwdriver works well because when you reach 12.5 inch-pounds, the screwdriver will spin and you can't over-torque these screws. Step number 3, insert the hex stem. Both ends of the hex stem are identical. You can insert either end into the hole in the locking tailpiece. And when you do this, be sure to keep the wrench vertical. It's important that the hex stem drop into the load screw. And you should feel that hex stem actually drop into the load screw. At this point, you should be able to turn the locking tailpiece to lock and unlock the handle. You can tell if the handle is locked because it won't spin. A handle only spins when the locking tailpiece is unlocked. Next, we're going to install the set screw. We start by placing a drop of Loctite 222 on the set screw. And ideally, the Loctite will have 12 hours to dry once the set screw is in place. Insert the set screw into the tailpiece and then tighten the set screw until it's tight. Watch the gap between the tailpiece and the handle. As the set screw is tightened, the gap between the tailpiece and the handle will expand a little bit. And once tight and you can't turn it anymore, you can't lock or unlock the tailpiece. When you reach that point, back off the set screw by 1/4 to 1/2 turn. And now you should be able to lock and unlock the tailpiece. At this point, the job is complete and you can go to work. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust from the engineering minds at Sturtevant Richmont.